Hey GED test takers, I'm Alice. I passed the GED reasoning through language arts test, and I'd like to help you pass too. I studied with the Writing for the GED Test series from New Readers Press. Practicing with these books boosted my confidence and helped me to write a great extended response. In this video, I'll share some tips from Writing for the GED test that will help you maximize your score on the extended response. Here is an example of what the prompt may look like. In these passages, two authors give different positions on recycling. The passages present opposing positions. Both authors want to convince readers that their position is correct. The directions say you should analyze both positions. What does that mean? Analyze means to study closely and carefully. In other words, read the passages closely and pay attention to the details. Look for the reasons and evidence that authors use to convince you their positions are correct. Then the prompt asks you to determine which position is best supported. So how do you decide? As you read, first identify each author's position. Then look for reasons and evidence authors use to support their positions. Use different colors to highlight strong and weak evidence in the passages. Analyze the evidence to determine if it is strong or weak. Here, I use green for strong evidence and yellow for weak evidence. Strong evidence includes specific examples, expert opinions, facts or statistics, results from polls or surveys, results from experiments or studies. Look for precise details such as names of experts, specific studies or research results, and recent dates. Weak evidence may include unclear references, unnamed experts, outdated studies, irrelevant details, flawed reasoning. Personal opinions with no facts to back them up are also signs of weak evidence. Which author uses strong evidence? Which uses weak evidence? Use your erasable noteboards to make notes while you analyze. You may want to make a chart to help sort the evidence. Here's an example. Don't waste time writing complete sentences. Just write a few words to remind you of the evidence used in the argument and your thoughts about it. Here is one way you can set up your noteboard to organize your ideas. If you'd like to use this graphic organizer to practice for the test, click on the link in the description below this video. Here's a tip to improve your score. To identify an author's position or claim, ask yourself, what does the writer want me to do or believe about this topic? The reasons and evidence an author lists will answer the question, why should I believe the author's claim? In the next video, I'll talk more about gathering the evidence you will need to write your response. If you want to learn more or practice analyzing arguments, purchase Writing for the GED Test Book 3 by New Readers Press.